go, boys. Let's see if we can get a little gaming action going on. Do you feel me? Alright, well, I'm on a recording right now, buddy, so you're gonna have to wait. Alrighty. Let's see what we can do. Alright, so I have a little kid on here talking right now. He's in the prepubescent stages. I don't know how this game is 18 and up, but I have a prepubescent right now. You guys can't hear him because I don't have it set up like that, but there's a prepubescent on here. And he's got a very high-pitched voice, and he's talking as if, I just don't know. It's fucking weird, though.
Team deathmatch.
Prepubies, they're really annoying. You know, I should have put a knife on this guy,
Blackout. Area is hot. Consider all
So I'm gonna knife,
hostile.
because there's a couple of challenges still I do with my knife, but it doesn't matter.
Incoming nade!
This guy's right here, he's an idiot. No, sir. But thank you for playing. I'm trying to knife my friends. Yeah. Oh, I tried to slide right there. Oh, this guy. I've got to kill him! Shit. Was he?
Assault unit down.
What was he? Oh, you. Are you fucking kidding? Come here, fuckface. You're so lucky you're on the other side, you little pussy. Stop with the sniping. No, stop with your Shiva. You're not gonna kill me, dickhead. Oh no. I know you're gonna want some too, aren't you? Let me pick up your gun. Maybe I can kill you with it later. What is this, the fucking M8? Is this the fuck? I got an M8 too, except mine's dark matter, stupid. It's because I'm a better person than you are. On the inside, I'm a better person because of dark matter. Whoa!
Hostile.
My man was just sitting up there waiting. Wait a minute. Oh. He didn't even know I was there. These guys are hilarious. Oh! Get away from there! Oh. Can I have this, please? Come here, gun, you idiot. Oh, God, you know. Now you know. Pop, pop. Are you fucking kidding me? Oh. Don't come up here. Don't come up here, I'll burst the shit out of you with this thing. You know I will burst. God damn it, there's no goddamn bullets in that gun! Is this guy... Are these people playing seriously?
Dropped.
Unreal. Well, I already killed that guy. Ooh, you're lucky. That's on the spawn. For those of you watching, that is on the spawn, dude.
UAV spotted.
This is how people play. Why is this motherfucker stuck to that fucking edge? Oh. This is... Oh my god. This is the prepubescent shit I was talking about.
Hostile Hellstorm inbound.
This is the prepubescent guys. These are boys that still... Their nuts haven't dropped yet, so here, you can take that. Give me this gun. Oh, whatever. Oh, these guys are just... He didn't hit me. Can you stop fucking glitching, please? You're not gonna kill me like that, that's for sure, buddy. You wanna come in here?
I'll smoke them.
I got his boy fucking laying up on this thing like a fucking dillweed. This is knife gameplay, by the way, in case you guys were wondering. I can't even tell anymore. These guys are fucking... They're doing some weird. Oh, that's our guys with the dingoes. Acting like they're behind us right now. What the hell? Cute weapon, buddy. You guys are awesome in this game. I don't know why I haven't taken information from you guys before. Move, idiot. Fucking vagina. I'll come over here. Damn, he saw me. That's a nice little snipe. Okay. I accept that defeat. I'm sure that one of their guys is up there fucking playing around, and I'm gonna try to come up underneath him. No, sir.
Be advised, hostile UAV incoming.
No, sir. God damn, I almost had these niggas on. Oh, I should have popped fucking kinetic on there. How did...
Single shooter.
How did the hell did we, end up like that?
Enemy
Did he
down.
spawn there? Oh my god, everybody was spawned there.
Hostile
Move,
UAV
idiot!
spotted.
God. How fucking horrible was that aim? Here, here, do it. Right there.
Threat neutralized.
I couldn't find that bitch. Can I have that? You were using a pistol, dummy? Thanks a lot for the help. Not. What a dumb dude. Did I sit up?
Friendly UAV inbound.
Right. It's probably the stupid sniper.
Be advised, hostile Hellstorm inbound.
Stay here for a second.
Hostile UAV above. Hostile AO.
Backfire. It was him. What an idiot. Like, that should be 2 or 3 now. Backfires I have. And let's get real.
Be advised,
Let's not lie.
hostile care package
Let's
overhead.
not lie to ourselves.
Too much hangs on this. Commit.
Jeez.
Be advised, hostile counter UAV is online.
Who cares? No, come on.
Overwatch kill.
You move. Sissy.
UAV ready for tasking.
You're such a sissy. Right there. Can't get me.
Catching
I have a counter
awaiting
UAV too,
orders.
sissies. Damn it.
Failed. New assignments incoming.
Get
I
wrecked.
didn't join up for this. Get your shit together.
I was fighting with a knife always. One of the prepubescent kids just told me to get wrecked. Oh, I think it was just more general toward my team. But in fairness, most of that was done with a knife,
Back
trying to
to
get backfires on this idiot right here that you see at the front of the screen. So, I don't know if I got wrecked there. It's not like I had a CUDA and I went rampage on everybody. I had a knife. Every now and then I pulled out a something else, but for the most part, knifing. Okay, so thank you and good night, or shall I say?